Alicia is the perfect test subject for the nucleate. Kind of confused as to what's going on. Can't really see it that well because of the sheet underneath. See if she decides to go on any of the perches. Up on that one over there. Got Kev's attention. Okay, Kev, okay. It's all your play area, okay? But she's just one that was confident enough to go inside. Too many zip ties on the top. I need to sort them. Hey. He's facing off with Spider-Man, it looks like. He's gone in the box, sort of. Is he going to make the jump onto that thing? Hope he does. Nope. Check in with her again. They get really interested when they see a new cage. Or is he just interested in the zip ties? Oh, he spotted me.